go. I can't hold it.
Wait, do that again. Do that again. Do the hair flip.
She goes like
You do
this.
it.
She goes.
You think you're getting her? I've been
Together? Ready? Okay.
Oh God. You guys are gonna be on YouTube. Hey,
This is gonna be on YouTube. I just recorded all of that.
Wow. Wow. Wowza.
Grandma, do a hair flip.
Flip your wig sometime.
Antlers. She's a moose. She's trying to bite
You guys
him.
are like the new famous battle.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey YouTubers, this is my
This is the
family.
Trethaway twins.
Yeah. Well, hey, all three of you get to do a flare.
Yeah, all four of you. Wait, all five of you. All get together and go.
Five.
Oh my God. Oh, were you guys born special?
Oh my God, I'm Bethel.
Alright, the short bumps.
That is not politically correct.
Oh, sorry, I won't say it.
That is not super, young lady. That is not super.
No.
Grandma's.
What? Do the hair flip.
Ooh, there's heat coming out of that camera.
Pretend you're in the Herbal Essences commercial.
Oh yeah, I bet they're all I bet they're bored by watching this now.
Although the girl across the street has.
You gotta put something very funny at the end because they're probably bored by now. So it's gonna be something
I know.
really funny at the end.
I know, like what?
I don't know. What should we put?
I don't know.
Vinny, do a hair flip. Oh my God, that was funny. But I'm.
Do something funny. It's the end of the thing.
Hey, all of you.
Hey,
All of you, do something like funny.
for the end product.
Sing a song.
Do a dance.
Sing
Do a
Yesterday.
dance. The
Sing Yesterday
siblings.
by
Do
the
a
Beatles.
dance.
Yeah, do the dance. Do
Wait,
the dance.
see,
What is she doing?
sing yesterday. Sing yesterday.
You do it now.
Indeed.
Wait, get in there, Aunt Debbie.
Go.
Lots are pole dancing.
Oh.
I don't know.
We're supposed to do the
You guys are missing all the action.
He doesn't know them.
Alright, these three are siblings. This is their mother.
Are you proud of your children?
I don't know them.
Moo.
Sing yesterday, come on, sing yesterday.
Why sing yesterday when you were singing today?
Hey, Grandpa.
What?
Moo.
Nicholas.
He just tripped over your guitar.
Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be.
You're a man? You think I know here?
No, she's not half the man.
Why?
Solo.
She-
Grandma,
Lady
solo.
I should have said one.
Sing.
Had to know.
Moo.
Vinny, you're not
No.
funny. Ow.
Also not.
All of you.
Once in a while.
Come on, get in the Grandma, come on.
She's laughing
No,
at him.
get with them. Left, right. I think this video is boring now.
Ow.